Hello guys, welcome to Learn Easy. Today we are going to learn cephalosporin classification, which is very difficult to remember, right? We are going to split the name of the drug and learn in an easy way with mnemonic. Cephalosporins are basically 5 generations. In first generation, every drug starts with cepha and ends with in. Cepha and in. Then the middle word remember as other exam zone. So cephalothin, cephalexin, cefazolin. Cephalothin, OTH gives other. Then cephalexin, X as exam. Cefazolin, Zol as zone. So this gives first generation. Coming to second generation, every drug starts with cepha and it adds chlor. Chlorine man rocks me. Remember chlor as chlorine. Here man and then rocks me. Cephachlor, cephomandol, cefuroxim. Coming to third generation, every drug starts with cepha, again ends with me and one. The only drug that ends with me, which is second generation, is cefuroxim. All other drugs starts with cepho and ends with me and one are third generation. In the middle, just remember as taxi, xi, triax and tizoxy. So cefotaxim, cefixim, cefotriaxone, cefotizoxim. Coming to fourth generation, remember it as prime or remember it as Amazon prime. Then every drug name starts with ceph and ends with pine and pyrome. Cephipine, cephipyrome. This comes fourth generation. Then fifth generation, drug starts with cephta, cephta. And remember a mnemonic role here. So ceftarolin and ceftabiprole. This gives your classification of cephalosporins. Practice this in this way. You can able to remember in exam very easily. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, subscribe. Thank you.